ladies and gents, and happy Friday. We made it through another week. I looked at the calendar. We've only got about 5 more weeks to go here, so time is a-flying, and we'll be done before you know it. So, I was going to take a break from the CDC data that we've been working with, just because it's Friday, just to mix it up a little bit. In today's assignment, when you download it, all I want you to do is analyze these charts. There's 2 charts, and they all deal with the COVID-19 outbreak. The first one is total confirmed COVID-19 deaths per million people as of May 1st. So it gives you a legend down here describing what the different colors are, and I want you to analyze it and tell me what it tells you. Not in general, but be specific, talking about what information you can pull out of the charts. Next one is number of COVID-19 tests per confirmed cases. So for every confirmed case of COVID, how many tests is a country conducting? Vietnam's killing it, right? I mean, they're doing great. So look through this, and again, what information can you pull out of it? What can you say about the countries and their testing? Yeah, that's it, ladies and gents. Look at pretty pictures and describe what you see. All right, have a great weekend, y'all, and be safe.